Jai Hind to everyone. Welcome again. My dear all students, you know the policy of territorial expansion by the British is being discussed. And in this context, the next topic is doctrine of lapse. Students, this is a very important topic. You know, it was Governor General Lord Dalhousie who applied the doctrine of lapse for the annexation of Indian state during 1848 to 1856. In this context, some questions are very important. So let's discuss. First question: what do you mean by the policy of the doctrine of lapse? Students, doctrine of lapse was a policy of annexation followed by Lord Dalhousie. According to this policy, if the ruler of a dependent state died without a male successor, his adopted son would not be allowed to the throne, and that state would be annexed to the British Empire in India. Next question: which states were annexed under the doctrine of lapse? Students, these states were Satara in 1848, Sambhalpur in 1850, Udaipur in 1852, and Nagpur in 1853, and Jhansi in 1854. And this is last question related to this context. How was Awadh annexed and what were its consequences for the British? Awadh was annexed in 1856 on the basis of internal misrule. We can say on the basis of internal misgovernment. The Nawab of Awadh, Wajid Ali Shah, was deposed. After this, the people of Awadh joined the great revolt that broke out in 1857. So, students, I have discussed about the doctrine of lapse. These questions should be written in your copy. Thank you so much.